Good morning, guys. It is July 1st, 2022. Got Spencer's Jeep this week. He had new gears put in the rear from sinking it. I'll link the video up here to that. But it's filthy. So I'm tired of driving a dirty Jeep while I'm breaking it in for him since he's out of town. So we're gonna wash it this morning. This will probably be like a July 4th kind of vlog style weekend video just to see what's up. Haven't really done a video in a long time, so bear with us. We'll get back out there. It's just freaking hot and I don't want to camp in all this, so here we go. Fancy, just some others. This thing's cleaning up for once. His wife might actually drive it. It's officially been branded. Didn't come out half bad either. Looks pretty dang good for just being hand washed. Pretty happy with it. Alright, ski was loaded up from last weekend. Had a little bit of an issue with a battery tray where the tray broke out from the bottom, battery went into the motor and shorted out, melted the negative out of the battery, so that was fun. Got it back to the ramp, fixed all that, so it should fire right up. So this is also why channel isn't overlanding. I do a lot of Jeeps, yeah, mostly, but really enjoy stand-up jet skis. I've had this one probably, I don't know, 5 years or so. I've got a few others, super jets that I just sold. I just picked up a crash, so that thing ought to be pretty fun. So we're gonna hit the lake early tomorrow. I think we're gonna go to DeGray and go ride around for a little bit. Usually here at Beaver Fork in Conway, or go to Hamilton. But DeGray's a nice lake, nice change of scenery. So we'll hang out there and ride for the day, and hopefully get some video of that. I don't think I'll take the drone, just too much going on, and maybe bring a GoPro along and see what we can get. So stay tuned for tomorrow. Saturday the 2nd, just got in the truck. And we are headed to go pick up Brandon and his stand-up jet ski, and we're off to the lake. It could. Alright, we got the skis loaded up. We got fuel jugs that gotta go in, and we're ready to hit the lake. Alright, we are at Lake DeGray. Just got unloaded, and next you'll see us riding around on the lake. I haven't even started mine.